Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Koneski E27 LED warm white light bulbs. And of course, it's also on the market available in cool white. And in this video, I will show you both cool white and warm white. 13-watt light bulbs with 1500 lumen power. Light emitted diodes lamps replaces 100-watt halogen bulbs. This comes with the possibility of save up to 90% of our electricity bill. Nothing dimmable, of course. 180 degrees beam angle. Energy saving. 2700 Kelvin warm white. Or, you know, the cool white device, 6500K. Cool white, baby. A19 LED bulbs. It's a pack of 4. It's also available in 6 or 12 packs. We save energy and money. We say goodbye to the trouble of constantly change the bulbs. The LED bulbs use energy-saving LED chips. And if we replace our conventional 100-watt incandescent bulb with this 30-watt E27 energy-saving bulbs, we can reduce our power consumption by 90%. We can save up to 90% of electricity bills for lighting. We no longer have to constantly replace a blown lamp in the dark. And we feel a realistic light environment. This E27 LED warm white is equipped with an LED lamp beats of the latest advanced technology, which emits up to 1500 lumens of ultra bright light, and CRR, this is the color rendering index, is over 85. We get a vivid display for that. It's a realistic lighting for vibrant colors of our surroundings. In addition, the ultra-wide beam angle of 180 degrees ensures a clear lighting that covers every corner of the room. And no flickering. Eye protection and environmental protection too. These LED lamps contain no mercury. They are safe and environmentally friendly. ULN's FCC certified. Ensuring the highest quality, of course. The LED bulbs provides even flicker-free light without UV or infrared radiation. The non-dimmable lamps have no delay. Instant full light, no warm-up time, baby. Effectively protects the vision of us and our family and our children. We join and create a greener future and a good future for all mankind. And easy to install and widely to use. The traditional A19 shape lamp with the E27 base, we can only need to screw the bulb into any standard E27 socket or lamp. No cable are required, of course, to the light system, of course. No cables are required directly to the bulb. And it can be seamlessly installed in ceiling fans and tablet lamps, chandeliers, floor lamps, etc. The E27 bulb widely used in kitchens, bedrooms, living rooms, bathrooms, hallways, entrances, and so on. There are gardens, garage, porches, patios, office, hotels, and so on. You see that's a professional lighting fixture for 12 years. That means we will receive 4 LED bulbs E27. So we always have a replacement for quick and easy replacement jobs. Each bulb is subjected to rigorous tests before packaging to meet the high standards for private and commercial use. We take the lamp home and immediately receive this easy peasy stuff at home, and we can install it to our lamp systems. And after this, we can start saving energy. It's not dimmable, but it makes 90% less energy cost. Ooh. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun. Oh yeah.